Happy Monday. How's it all going, you lovely lot? And sun has moved into Leo. Lionsgate is officially opening for business. It is now that time of year. And here we go. So amongst all of the turbulence that you might be experiencing, or you might be paradoxically experiencing, witnessing a space of deep peace, the latter being the target frequency, the vibration that we all wish to be focusing on, that is almost our, for want of better words, a spiritual birthright. And there's something that happened during 2019, August 2019, a switch in frequencies, a very specific vibration, alongside a message that I received to go within and listen. Now, this indicates a drastic change in vibration, because when you have been used to listening, tuning in, feeling, sensing with your third eye all of the space that we have been occupying, you kind of get used to it, and the third eye settles in, it gets comfortable, and it doesn't really like to, unless it's asked to, extend from that comfort zone. Well, we're now being asked to tune in at a much higher frequency. We're being asked to expand our vision, our clairsentience, our clairaudience, our all of the clairs, basically, in a different format, whatever you are particularly attuned to. And David and I were talking about this in our Q&A on Friday, in case you missed it. It's on my Ascension page, Tim Wild Practical Ascension, and on my YouTube channel. We were talking about the third eye and how it receives or perceives, and you might hear, or you might feel, or you might see, or you might literally pick up all of these as a combination, which initially can be quite overwhelming. This is shifting now. This is shifting into a higher space. So once again, you might suddenly be presented with a reality that's not giving you much feedback. It still exists, but it's now operating at a higher frequency. We are operating at a higher frequency. So just tune into this for a few moments. This might be a lot of food for thought this morning, but the solution or the resolution is very simple. So just breathe into your heart now. Take a few deep breaths. If you're new to this is a heart center activation. So you place your hand or a crystal, if you happen to have one, on your heart center and breathe in deeply and ask your heart to activate into a beautiful ball of fifth dimensional light. And the heart never needs any encouragement to do this. It will just immediately begin to expand in its space, glowing so very beautifully brightly, with bright angelic white, golden, pink, and also the aquamarine of the higher heart coming in. And as you take a deep breath in, you activate the heart further. So just sense and feel it becoming this powerful core, this center of love within your body. And as you breathe out, expand the field. And very soon you'll be sat within your own personal bubble of light, your own heart field. Now, with your eyes closed, sat within this cocoon, set your intention to listen deeply, with utmost clarity, to the voice of the higher realms. And the higher realms are now coming to earth. They're becoming one with us. We've been on this pathway for a while now. things are getting much clearer at a much higher frequency, but we have to listen. We have to listen and tune in from the center of our hearts. But also, one other little thing that we've been asked to do, or I've been asked to do, is link the third eye to the heart center. Now, you might have done this exercise before, but every time you do this, you enable the third eye to perceive from a heart-centered perspective, and that is very important. So just breathe into your heart center and to your third eye simultaneously. And just be aware now that you're being joined by Archangel Raphael, who oversees the development of the third eye at the beginning of its journey on the fifth dimensional pathway, but also whenever you need to work, whenever you need to expand or to improve or to clear the perceptions of the third eye. And this morning, Archangel Raphael is with the tip of his finger just drawing a beautiful golden green diamond shape on the front of your third eye. And this is activating in harmony with your heart light. And you might even feel that your third eye is being engulfed by the energy of your heart center. And in turn, it begins to activate itself. So as you're breathing and as you're relaxing, as you're tuning into the blessings of Archangel Raphael, just feel your third eye also lighting up. And it will have its own personal field of light, which is very powerful. Now, you can either keep this contained within the boundaries of what you would regard as to be your head, or you can expand it. Now, Raphael is asking you to merge the light of your third eye and mix it with the field of your heart center. Just breathe the two energy fields in together. Let them become one. So the golden green of your heart's of your third eye is mixing with the pink, the white and the gold of your heart, and becoming a unified field of light all around you. Now consciously speak to your heart and ask it to guide the visions of the third eye, however you perceive them at all times. Ask it to perceive with utmost clarity, truth, the universal frequencies that we are receiving at the moment, and to completely block out any of the intrusions from the lower frequencies and vibrations that we are being presented with. The speak of the matrix, the words of the astral, and we can feel these vibrations as they are communicating with us so clearly now. But just ensure that we are completely impervious to all of the illusions of the matrix. And just allow yourself to settle into this pure, clear version of your third eye, this higher reality. And just breathe and relax as Archangel Raphael does the work. And Raphael is also repeating the diamond shape and drawing it on the back of the third eye. And you might also sense and perceive him drawing it on the side, your right hand side, and then the left hand side. And the shape, the diamond, represents clarity, clarity of sight, clarity of vision, clarity of manifestation. and it will clear away any of the previous intrusions or blockages that you might have or feel that you have within your third eye. And just one last time, he places his hand upon the top of your head, upon your crown chakra, and blesses this higher frequency activation. So just feel the emerald ray of his love pouring through you now, into your crown, into your third eye. Breathe it into your heart center. And when you are ready, just say thank you to Archangel Raphael and open your eyes. Now, just for a few moments, sit within the clarity of your third eye, mixed with the vibrations of your heart center, and perceive the world around you. And just remember that you are now tuning into a higher notch on the radii antennae. The messages that you receive might not be instantaneously clear. They might be kind of come in a little bit scrambled, a little bit garbled maybe sometimes, but this will reset itself. This will recorrect itself in due time. Just be open, be ready to receive. And remember, you are handing this over to your heart center now. So just breathe and relax. And when you are ready, open your eyes and smile.